Now I am going to discuss how to solve a nonlinear equation using goal-seek in Excel. So here nonlinear equation is given, so that is x cube minus 6x plus 4 is equal to 0. Here x is a variable. Now I am going to solve the root of the equation by using goal-seek. Now here fx is nothing but x cubed minus 6x plus 4. So our target is to set fx is equal to 0, means we have to get such a value of x so that fx must be 0, means fx will be 0. So that will be the solution of this equation. So though here 3 roots are there, now using goal-seek we will get one root. So our target is to get one root so that fx will be 0. Now here we will do the step 2 step. So step 1, first set initial x value is 0 and then use goal-seek to get x value where fx is 0. Now how do you solve this problem? So now nonlinear equation solution using goal-seek. Now here variable is x. Okay, now we assign some variable, some value of this x. So initially I am taking x value is 0. Now here I am going to calculate at x is equal to 0 what is the function value. Means if we put x is equal to 0, so what will be the function value? Okay, now I am using that formula is equal to x cube. X cube means this cell into cube, then minus 6 into again the x value into this one, then plus 4. Okay, now I will get that. So x value. Now I am going to use that goal-seek. First again step 1, set so variable x is equal to 0. Using that 0 of x means x value 0, we are going to calculate fx. So fx, so that is the formula here. Okay, so using that formula means that is x cube minus 6x plus 4. Using that formula we are getting the value of fx. Okay, now I am going to use goal-seek. So for that goal-seek, what we have to go there, what we have to do, so go to the data, then here what if else statement, what if else, that one tab is there. So if you click that, so here you can see that goal-seek, right? If you click that goal-seek, so now set cell means set cell and then to value. Now so this is the cell I am going to 0, means ultimately if I have some x value, ultimately fx will be 0. So this cell will be 0, means this cell will be 0. Okay, so you can see that is the 12 cell. Okay, 12 row and 12 row and u. Okay, so 12 row and u, that column. So u 12, so that value is 0. Now by changing this, means changing x, what will be the value of x? Now if you do that, if you press OK, so then you can see that fx is nearly equal to 0, that is 0.0077, nearly equal to 0. The value of x is equal to 0.7318. Okay, so at 0.731876, that value, that fx is 0. Now this is the root of the equation. We can get the solution of root of the equation. Okay, so that is the solution of nonlinear equation. So that is the root of the equation. And the value is 0.31876. So now I hope you understood how to use goal-seek to get the solution of nonlinear equation. That's it. Thank you.